For most of us that want to know how to withdraw on WhatsApp, this particular video will direct you step by step on how you can withdraw from WhatsApp. Now when you come right here on your task, you can actually see that you can link your WhatsApp to this platform. Now the very first thing you want to do is to come down to where it says +1, then click on that. Then you're going to select your country. So for mine is actually Nigeria, so I'm just going to select Nigeria. So the next thing I want to do is to put down my WhatsApp number right here. So right now I've inserted my WhatsApp number. The next thing I want to do is to click on get verification code. So I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw on WhatsApp. So right now a code will be generated down right here. So what you just have to do is to copy this code. Now this is the code and you just have to go to your WhatsApp. So once you click on your WhatsApp, you're going to locate where you can find link device. So this is actually link device. So you just click on link device and it's going to take you over to where you can actually link your device. Just come down to where it says link with phone number instead. So just come right here and you're going to paste that code you got from that platform. So once you just insert this code, it's going to link itself together with that platform. So this is the first step you want to do with your WhatsApp to this platform. So once this is linked, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from WhatsApp using this platform. As you can see right now, our device is linked to this platform. So what I just need to do is to come back to this platform, and once you come down to this particular interface that says tax, so you are going to be seeing your WhatsApp number and the online status that is written in green. So right now let me go ahead to show you how you can withdraw from this platform. You can see that my account balance is over 121,033 points. Okay, so right now to place a withdrawal on your account connected to your WhatsApp, just come down to where it says account withdrawal. Now once you click on account withdrawal, you're going to be seeing several ways you can use to withdraw. So as a Nigerian, all you just have to do is to come down and click on Nigeria. So I've actually linked my account number to this platform. So if you're actually new to this platform, just come down to where it says edit. It will be showing add on your own part. Just click on add and add your account number. So once you come down to maximum transfer output, you can actually see that I have over 111,933 points. So I'm just going to input this right here, 111,933. So right now you can actually see that I'll be getting a total of 33,580 naira on my OPay account. So right now all I just need to do is click on sure. So once I click on sure, you're going to be seeing this amount credited immediately as I speak with you into my OPay account. So right here we have it, 33,530 naira just landed on my OPay account. As you can see right now, the dates, the details of this alert. So this is to tell you that this platform pays you immediately once you withdraw from your WhatsApp. Okay, so what you just have to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself and start using this platform today. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to drop them on the comment section. See you on my next video and keep winning.